Welcome, children. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn a new topic. The name of the topic is Food and Nutrition. Staple food chapati, bhakri, or rice form a part of every meal we have. We eat more of these foods than of the others. Therefore, wheat, java, rice are said to be our staple foods. However, with chapatis, bhakris, or rice, we eat several other items which make our meals tastier. Besides, for reasons of good health, it is important to include these food items in our meals. Look at the foodstuffs in the box. You can see chickus, chili, jawar, radish, eggs, cloves, groundnuts, sesame, raw mangoes, lemon, etc. You have seen what a wide variety there is in our foodstuff. We use different foodstuffs for different purposes. We use milk to get butter. We get flour from java, bajra to make bhakris. To add a sour taste, we may use lemons or tamarind or raw mangoes. When making sweets, we may use either sugar or jaggery, which we get from sugarcane. Just as there is a variety in the foodstuffs we use, there are differences in people's likes and dislikes. We tend to eat the items we like again and again. We also tend to always avoid what we don't like. However, the most important thing is to ensure that the food related needs of a body are all being met. The food constituents that meet the different needs of a body are present in all our foodstuffs in varying quantities. Some of these constituents give our body the energy it needs. We work or play all day long, also work while respiration and digestion of food goes on inside our body. The body needs energy for all this work. Some constituents help our body to grow. They also help to repair the wear and tear of a body that takes place in everyday work. Some food constituents helps to nourish our body. They help to create a store of substance that give energy to our body. Some food constituents are necessary for certain special reasons. For example, some constituents make our bones strong. Some constituents give the body the ability to fight disease. And for all the function of a body to go on smoothly, we need to drink plenty of water. If our food if our body if our body is to work properly, it must remain healthy. So we must include all the food constituents in our diet. We get all these food constituents from different foodstuffs in different quantities. That is why we keep using different foodstuffs in our daily meals. Such a diet ensures proper nourishment for our body. Preserving the nourishment in food ingredients. While preparing food items, some of the constituents in the foodstuffs can get destroyed. We can take the following precautions to avoid that. When cooking food, add only as much water as it is necessary. Use a pressure cooker or cover the food with a lid while cooking it. Sprout pulses before using them. Use them while the sprouts are still small. Do not wait for them to grow long. Use whole grain flour without sifting. Eat fruits like chickus, figs, grapes, apples along with their skin. Besides, vegetables like carrots, radishes, cucumbers, beetroot should be eaten raw in the form of salads. Whenever possible, mix 2 or 3 foodstuffs in a dish. For example, add onions and potatoes to usals. Add drumsticks to curries. Add some soaked dals while cooking vegetables. Observe dish. Wash your mouth, clean your tongue and stand in front of the mirror. Stick your tongue out and look at it carefully. You will see tiny peaks of the tongue on the tongue. They are called taste buds. These taste buds tell us the different taste. Now see here, the food stuff and the state. Now jaggery and sugar, how does it taste? You have to write there. Salt, tamarind lemon, fenugreek methi, a piece of an amla. What we have learned, our diet includes many different food items. There is great variety in the foodstuffs we use to prepare different dishes. The food constituents that meet our food related needs are present in these foodstuffs in different proportions. Our food related needs are met if our body gets all these food constituents in the right quantities. Our taste buds help us to know the different taste. Always remember, our diet should include all kinds of food stuffs. Thank you.